Hi, maybe you're a realtor or a homeowner who has had a home warranty in the past, and when a claim has arisen, you did what you were supposed to do and called the home warranty company. But to your dismay, you were greeted with long hold times, slow service, and really just a bad taste in your mouth about a home warranty. Well, I want to tell you, I'm here to change that. I'm Troy Cummings, the owner of Home Membership, and my goal is to make sure you have the best home warranty experience possible. With home membership, you will never experience long wait times on hold when you call on a claim, and our service response time on claims is less than 48 hours, and in more times than not, it's usually same day service on most warranty claims. I also invite you to Google home membership, all one word, and look at our reviews. It's one thing for me to stay in here and make these statements, but I would love for you to read our reviews from current members and our realtor partners. Please, if you're a homeowner fed up with your current home warranty company, or maybe you're a realtor who is tired of getting bad feedback from the current company you refer, I would be glad to send you some more info or jump on a call to tell you more about home membership, home warranty, and our services. Thank you and have a great day.